Hello everyone, it's the Bitcoin Governor. Now, one of my most requested videos is how to use the more advanced trading tools within the Kraken exchange. Now, I'll try and keep this video short and to the point, but before I begin, if you're enjoying my videos, please go ahead and hit that like button. So, let's get started. I'm logged into Kraken and I want to go ahead and make it buy or sell. Normally, I would use the simple method here, but they also have a charting and trading tools system. You just click on the little blue button here. This will take you to something that will be, I'm sure, quite scary for some of the beginner traders. So let's try and demystify what you see here. The first thing you want to do is just get rid of all the clutter. So I'm going to remove the volume chart by clicking here, the volume amounts, and the trading section. So at least now we have some good candlesticks set up here. By the way, if you don't know anything about candlesticks, click on the link you see here, and this will take you to my Learning About Candlesticks video. Now we also have volumes and MACD here as well. And I want to get rid of the MACD for the moment. So we go up to Indicators and remove the MACD. So now we have the volume of the candlesticks and we have the candlesticks themselves. The next step is to choose our trading pair. And I want Ethereum Classic and Euro. So this is listed by the cryptocurrency. So there's Ethereum Classic and there is Euro. Next, we want to choose the candlestick time frame. It's currently set to 1 hour. You can have more. We can set it to 30 minutes, for example, and we'll leave it for that for this training session. If you've made trades recently, you'll see some green dots and some red dots. The green dots represent the buy and the red dots represent the sell. So as you can see here, if you look on the left-hand side at the top, when I hover over the red, it will show you that I sold 200 ETC for €12.25, and I purchased it at around about €11.39. So a little scalp there. I'm sure by the time people start watching this video, Ethereum Classic's probably a couple of hundred, but this was my little trade just as an example for you guys. Now we may want to know what the volume is and what the current buy and sell prices are, and we can do that by moving across to those little charts we got rid of before. I'll click on the first one. So here we have the volume of Ethereum Classic, and if we want to see the prices associated with the volume, we click again across here, and there we go. So what we can see is at the top, these are the people who are prepared to sell and the prices they are prepared to sell at. And down here we have the buyers and what they're prepared to buy at. Now I'm slowly squeezing in the volume here just to make it easier for us to notice. And as we move along, you can see that there are little walls here. That is where people have dumped a lot of sell orders. So there's 2,450 Ethereum Classic at that price available to be sold. And there's another big wall down here for 4,092 Ethereum Classics willing to be sold. Now, if we move along to the buy section here, we can see that the maximum someone's willing to pay is €11.98. And we also have a buy wall sitting here at €11.80 for 2,000 Ethereum Classic. So you can see you can really establish what's happening in the market by reading the volume charts. I'd like to keep these tutorial videos short, so they're in small bite-sized pieces. And the next video is going to be about how to utilize the buy, sell, stop loss, etc. features with this interface. So keep an eye out for that video shortly. Thank you so much everyone for viewing. I really appreciate it. And thank you to my subscribers and those of you who comment and of course hit that like button. Bitcoin Governor out.